Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Sportybet and signing in. Make sure your account is verified so the booking code applies immediately. Once signed in, navigate to My Bets or Bet Slip. That's where codes are accepted. If you're on mobile, tap the menu then Bet Slip. On web, check the top bar. Make sure you have the exact booking code copied. Small errors break the link. Now, proceed to the field labeled Enter Booking Code to paste or type it. You now paste or type the booking code into the field. Be precise because codes can be case-sensitive and include dashes. Once entered, press Apply or Redeem, then wait for the platform to validate the code. Avoid clicking other pages during validation. If accepted, your bet slip will populate with selections, stake, odds, and potential payout, so review them. If you need to change stake, do it here. Once you confirm, the system converts the booking into an active bet. You finish by confirming the populated bet and noting the ticket ID for records. Make sure your balance reflects any reserved stake. If the booking code fails, first recheck every character in case, then refresh the app or reload the page and try again. Sometimes network or cache causes rejection. If it still won't validate, take a screenshot, include the ticket ID, and send to Sportybet support. This speeds resolution. Finally, double-check rules and expiry. Codes often expire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.